In today's world, tax functions are facing off to a challenging and dynamic environment on many fronts. Firstly, the increase in regulatory requirements, which now have a global and regional dimension like Pillar 2 and ESG reporting. These require groups to have a consistent top-down approach on a global basis. Secondly, the ongoing trend in tax authorities moving to a digital reporting regime where taxpayers are being assessed on their data rather than a tax filing. This is impacting the compliance process, the skills of the tax function, and requires a greater focus on data and systems. In the current economic environment, many tax functions are managing these challenges with a backdrop of continued pressure to manage costs and ongoing operating model change. So how will you as a tax leader respond to the rising cost of compliance whilst ensuring you continue to drive business value? My advice is to focus on three key things. Firstly, you should design a compliance operating model that gives you flexibility, both in terms of geographical coverage and accounting and tax process integration, but also the right balance between centralization to drive efficiency and local delivery to manage country nuances and local practices. Secondly, focus on how you manage data. Take the opportunity to build a strategy that helps you both respond to new requirements like Pillar 2, but also leverages that investment to identify wider data needs of the tax function that could benefit from a similar approach. This can really help justify the business case. And thirdly, assess the merits in leveraging a managed service model to accelerate your journey. This can help you drive the change you need to reshape your tax function with the right skills and focus on driving business value. If you'd like to explore how a new or perhaps a broader managed service model could support you, please do get in touch.